Sunday!
Happy Sunday. What's on the agenda, man?
Today, we're going to be making berry cobbler. Right?
Berry cobbler.
Cobbler.
That's so dope.
But it ain't door though, so don't even go there.
What?
But it ain't.
Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is simmer for 15 minutes.
No, you're not. Okay, you guys. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 375. You know what I'm saying? While that's doing its thing, you're gonna go ahead and work on your berry mixture.
Alright, so how you do that?
So you're gonna use your mixed berries.
Look how good that bit look.
Yes. You're gonna add your sugar, your cornstarch, and your lime juice
All in one.
into a bowl. Give it a good mix.
So what kind of berries we got in here?
You got strawberries, you got blueberries, you got blue raspberries, you got all the berries.
Why they ain't got cherries in here?
Cause we don't want that.
Ain't cherries a berry?
We don't like that.
Ain't cherries a berry?
We don't want that cherries.
No, like serious question, ain't cherries a berry?
No.
I'm for real, I think it is a berry. Somebody go look
You
that up.
got blueberry, raspberry.
No, cherry's the only one that don't have berry at the end.
That's why it's not included. It said berry cobbler. You know what I'm saying?
Let's get to it, man. Looking at the berries, you ever seen Life? You seen Life? Remember when Martin Lawrence went to go steal the little pie out the window? It looked like that. So I think that's good right there. It's hot. It's hot, burn my mouth. That looks good.
It was good though, wasn't it? That white's only pie.
White's on pie. Yeah. But this is black people pie.
So left.
Cobbler.
Alright, you guys. So this is what it's looking like. Nice and mixed. You're just gonna go ahead and set that aside.
Let go.
Get another bowl.
Get another bowl. Get another bowl. Get another bowl. Then we make it to some dough. Then we coming back with another Quan flow. Hey. I want some cobbler?
Yeah.
Huh? I want some cobbler?
Alright. So now you're gonna take your flour.
Yeah.
Folding that butter.
Baking powder. I got baking powder.
I'm gonna transition to the crumble.
Alright, well, D.Chanel, go ahead and put your gloves on then, gang. Go ahead and put your gloves on then, gang. Okay, hey, she got that bounce. Hey, she got that bounce. Hey, I see you, gang. So do I need some gloves too, or just you?
Are you gonna be digging in? Do you want to dig in?
No.
You sure?
I think I messed up enough for today.
I'm done with the little snap. Can you get it?
Come on, doctor. You got it. You getting beat up over there, huh?
Yeah, I think.
There you go. Go ahead and throw the.
I hate putting gloves on. Why do they do this?
I would keep it like that. Who taught you that?
Me. Time to operate.
I'm the operator. Let's go then, man.
So next you're gonna go ahead. Well, this is what it looks like right now.
That bit right there, yeah.
Next you're gonna go ahead and slowly add in your milk.
Add it in then.
And give it a good mix.
D.Chanel.
So next you're just gonna go ahead and have your pan all oiled up, you know what I'm saying? And then pour in your berry mixture.
Yeah. Time out, gang. Throw up your set real quick, you hear me? So we just gonna have these big old. What you finna throw?
Oh no!
So we gonna have these big old strawberry chunks. Like we ain't gonna chop these up.
Man, why you ain't say that?
What that?
Looking good, looking good. Now we just gonna go ahead and drop your little dough balls into the top of the berries. So now we got it all lined up.
Yeah.
So now you're just gonna place it in the oven for 30 minutes.
That thing busted, man.
Alright, you guys. So this is what it looks like.
Bustin' berry cobbler.
I don't want to tilt it too much.
I said cobbler. Bustin' berry cobbler. Yeah.
So we did let it cool for 10 minutes.
Are you listening to me?
Okay.
Bustin' berry cobbler.
Bussin' berry cobbler.
I just play. Come on, man.
Name it that? Bussin'?
Yeah, bustin' berry cobbler.
Berry. Okay.
That's something on your face. How to get it off? Let's go wrap this thing up, man. How it look? Look good?
Look good.
Well, let's plate this thing up, and then we're going to come back to end the video. We be right back. You did.
So this is what it's looking like.
Plate that thing so we can taste that thing. Yeah, that thing look fresh.
Let's dig into it.
That look fresh. So with that being said, man, this is our bussin' berry cobbler. Bussin' berry cobbler.
Bussin' berry cobbler.
So with that being said, man, if it look good, if you're rocking with it or whatever, you know what I'm saying, you feeling us or whatever, the vibes over here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and jump down in that comment section. Why? Because this is the D.Chanel show, and we out. Another banger, man. Woo! Let me get that bit.
You don't run from it.
All the fruits. That thing fresh. fresh. That's that crust. Oh, now. Oh, now.